de Durva, it's the anniversary of the Hungarian Revolution. On October 23, 1956, students in Budapest organized a demo calling for political reform and an end to the Soviet occupation of Hungary. Symbols of the Soviet regime were vandalized and burned in the streets, and a statue of Stalin was toppled and smashed up. Protesters marched to the state radio, calling on its workers to broadcast a list of their political demands to the public. Instead, members of Hungary's feared secret police, the AVO, opened fire, killing several protesters. In response, workers declared a general strike, fought and disarmed AVO agents, and looted weapons factories. Proletarian militias and Free Soviets sprung up across the country, seizing control of several neighborhoods. On October 25th, the AVO headquarters was overrun. Its agents were publicly executed and their secret files thrown into the streets. Prisons were stormed and political prisoners freed. On October 29th, Soviet tanks withdrew from the country. The people had won. But the victory was short-lived. On November 4th, Soviet tanks returned and ruthlessly put down the uprising. 3,000 Hungarians were killed, and more than 200,000 forced into exile. Those who cheered on the Soviet tanks as they crushed the revolutionary aspirations of the Hungarian working class were described as tankies, a term that continues to this day.